next point, if you like, regarding the situation of a disabled person. Why is it a disabled person has to pay a ransom due to the fact they haven't fasted?
Allah says in the Quran in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 184, that if it is difficult for a person to fast, he can either fast or pay a ransom. That is feeding of an indigent person or a poor person. The reason is that if a person is disabled or if he's sick permanently and there are no signs that he will become healthy where he can observe fast, so the question of him compensating or the question for him to keep the fast later on doesn't arise at all. So that's the reason for him there is a ransom, that he has to pay something that is equivalent to feeding an indigent person or feed an indigent person for every fast that he has missed.